Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, we've got a little surprise for Easy. He doesn't know what we're doing. Here we go.
Yep. That's how y'all know.
Okay, so tomorrow's Easy's birthday, and he likes a little, like he surprised me, I'm going to surprise him for his birthday. So, we start right up here,
Okay.
and we draw one like that.
Okay.
Turn it into a triangular shape, like a peak. Perfect. Now I add a rectangle to this. And now I add another rounded rectangle to that. Yep, you got that. And now another triangular shape going there. And now, just like a rocket here. Now I do wavy lines till there. And wavy lines up. Wavy lines till there. And wavy lines up like the other side. You have it?
Yep.
A line going out. What does it look like to you now?
The shoes.
It looks like a shoe. A line going out this way. But whose shoe is it? And now we draw a little oval there.
Parappa the Rapper.
It's Parappa the Rapper. And now we draw a little eye, two eyes there. And we just make a little oval shape around that.
I guess it.
Yes, you guessed it correctly. And now, two ovals over here. You guessed it correctly, my boy. It's Parappa the Rapper. A little round.
We call that oval.
The oval in the cap.
Yes.
And we add a little
No,
smile.
just the oval.
Oh, just the oval. And these pupils. So easy figured it out rather quickly. It's Parappa the Rapper.
Yes.
And now we're drawing two little ears coming out of there. Don't know if it's ears or the flaps of the cap. And that goes black, so we might as well color it in. I think it's ears.
Picayet.
Yep. Okay, and now we're drawing two little arms. And 5 fingers, because yeah, I counted these by 5 fingers.
Oh, but I will make him like a action figure.
And there we have it, everybody. That's Parappa the Rapper.
Yep, and so I won't turn him into action figure then pose.
We're gonna make the action figure in this pose.
Yes,
Okay.
you know the same method we use to make our a minifigure.
Yep.
Well,
Okay, so the same method that we use to make minifigures you're gonna do for this.
yeah.
Okay, so if you've gotten this far, everybody, please click on that subscribe button and then you can join us for more videos.
Yep.
Yep, so we missed something here, Easy.
What?
There's a little M shape on his shoes. So I'm just doing that. Yeah. And there's an M shape on his shoes. And the little logo on his cap is actually a frog. A little green frog. Are you good to go?
Yep.
Yep. So that's Parappa the Rapper with his shoes and the M's in his shoes and everything. Let's color. Here we go.
Yep.
And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's Parappa the Rapper. So easy, you figured it out quite easily, eh?
Yeah, I remember I do that on Google. You know the egg yolk.
Egg yolk.
Doratama.
Oh, Kuritama. Yes. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. And always remember to be good
And have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.
Bye.